Today we'll be going over how to use Google Drive, and in that we'll learn how to do Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Draw, Google Slides, and Google Forms. So first you'll make sure you're logged into your Google account, as I am up here, and then you'll go to the little drop down menu, scroll down to Google Docs, then it brings up My Google Docs, and as you can see there's many different, you can make a new template. There are many other templates like a resume, a letter, a project proposal, a brochure, and then there's like other ones that you can choose from right here. And then here's all the different ones that I've done, and then you can go up and then you can click sort it and by ones like owned by anyone, owned by me, not owned by me. Then you can go over here to list view, and it changes the different viewing of it, and then sort options, and you can do last opened by me, last modified by me, last modified, and by title. And then you can click on open file picker, and you can click on whichever document that you want, and you can search each document a lot easier. So then we can go to a blank doc, and it brings up this page, and there is many different things you can do with this. So you can it has all these undo, redo, print, spelling, grammar check, paint formats, and here's the zoom, so you can make it bigger on the screen. You can do the different headings, titles, normal text. You can click your fonts, and there's many different fonts. You can pick the font size. You can do bold, italicized, underlined. You can change your text color. You can change a highlight color. You can insert links, add comments, insert pictures, and these are your alignments of all the different all your work. You can change the line spacing from right here. You can do numbered list, bulleted lists. You can decrease and increase your indentions, and then you can clear all the formatting that you've done. You can edit it, as you're typing, you can put it in editing mode, and it'll let you type comments in right over here. And then you can go up here to file, and there's a share. You can do it change it into a document, and then you can spreadsheet, presentation, whatever. You can open a new one, an old one. You can make a copy of what you just did. You can download as all these different options right here. You can make it available offline. You can rename it, publish it to the web. You can change the languages and everything. When you go to edit, there's many things that you can do with edit. View, just showing you how the different views look, and you can go full screen and whatever. And then you can insert all these different things: image, table, drawing, chart, lines, footnotes, special characters, equations. You can do headers and footers. You can do page numbers. You can do page breaks. You can insert links and format. You can change the text. You can do paragraph styles, your alignment and indentions, your line spacing, columns, bullets, numbers, headers and footers, page numbers. Tools, there are spelling and grammar checks, word count checks. There's many different things you can do with all this. And then add-ons, you can if you're trying to do a resources page, you can go to here and type in all these different things, and it'll do a lot of stuff for you. And then there's a help search engine thing. Then you can always go up here, and you can if you've shared it with other people, which you can do right here, you can share it to other people like this, and you have to name it before you share it. So we'll type in test document, save, and then you can share it with many different people. And then once you've shared it, then you can, that person can write comments, and this is where you go to open the comment history. So there's many different things that you can do with Google Docs, and it's really nice to be able to keep all your files right here and easy to access. Next we'll be doing Google Sheets, so you'll go up here, you'll scroll down to Google Sheets. I don't have any spreadsheets yet, but there are different templates like like on Google Docs, and it's very similar. You can do to-do lists, annual budgets, monthly budgets, everything. And so we'll make a blank one. And there, just like on Google Docs, there are many different options you can use with file, edit, view, insert, format, data, tools, add-ons, and the help engine will help you. And then with this one, you can, it's really good if you're trying to keep a big list and do stuff over time, because you can always come back to it, and you can, if you're doing a big spreadsheet for work or for a team or even school, you can do so, and it makes things really easy. So we'll do days, and we'll go down in there. Oh, sorry, 2, 3. We'll do a 5-day period. So there's your days, and then the next one we'll do meals. So say on the first day you only did 2, third day you did 3, third day you did 1, 2, 2. So you can just keep a very good idea of what you're doing throughout the week or whatever you want to measure and stuff, and you always want to make sure you put a title with it. So and again, you can always share this with other people, and they can make comments, and they can add on to it if you allow them to, and you can always add another sheet onto this, and then you can bring it up to a full page where you can see all your sheets on one. And then this will show you where you can go to you can duplicate it, copy, rename, change colors. So there's many different colors you can do. So you can do a green, or you can change it to blue. It doesn't really matter. And then you can protect your sheet. And but the good thing is it always saves what you do. And it shows you up here your history of it, and it shows your last edit was how many ever seconds ago. But you can always share to other people, just like I showed you on Google Docs. And then you can go back, and then like I said, I don't have any spreadsheets, but then this one pops up. So, and there it is right there. And it's very easy to use and good for many different things. The thing we'll be going over how to use is Google Draw. So you'll go over here and scroll down. Sorry, actually just went up here to the search and typed in Google Draw. So now that I am logged into Google Draw, there are also many different things you can do with this. So this, remember to always name it. And like in the last two, you can go to file, and there's many different things you can try and add to this, and you can edit it and view different things, and you can show a ruler. You can insert many different things. You can change your formatting. You can arrange different things. And there's many different tools that help you. So we can go over here and do a line. So we will try an arrow, sorry. And you'll go right here, and it pulls up your arrow. And then once you have something on there, then you can do shapes, text boxes, insert images, and then you can change your line color. So we'll do a red one. You can change how big it is, so we'll make it a little bigger. You can do different types of lines. You can do dashes, dots and dashes, just many different things. And then you can change the end of the arrow, and both ends of the arrow you can change. So we'll change it just like that. You can also go back over here and you can make curves, and it'll bring it up too, and it just makes it a straighter and more like efficient line. And there's many different like drawings that you can do, and if like you needed to make a drawing for a class, then this would be a good idea. And then like in the last ones, you can share like with other people, and then they can make comments on your different drawings, and then you can go back and it'll show all of your drawings and bring up all the different things. Next, we'll be learning how to use Google Slides. So you're on your Google Drive account, and you'll click New and go to Google Slides. And so it's a presentation maker. So you can add a title. So we'll type in test document. And then you can click the title for this, so we'll use the same thing. And there's many different things you can do with this. You can change the different themes. So we'll pick a theme that I like. I like this one. And it'll make every slide like that. So then you can, this is how you add new slides. So I'll add a new slide, and then you can actually change the theme for this one too. So I'll make it the same. Well, your very first slide will be that theme, and then it'll kind of differentiate throughout. So then you can go to File, and there's many of the imports and shares and open, and you can download it to a different kind of document. Edit, view, insert, format, slide, arrange. In the slide you can do like, you can make a new slide, duplicate the slide, delete a slide, skip a slide, and then you can move your slides around and stuff, and there's different tools and add-ons. So then we will go, and you can add drawings to this too, and then also you can change the backgrounds to, you can change the color, you can add an image, and you can reset to theme like the very first one you had. You can change the layout of the different slides, and that will help like throughout the presentation to make it look different. You can change the theme, and then you can add transitions. So to add the transitions, you can just do very many different things and apply to all slides. So then there's a different, and you can like make it faster, slower, whatever you need to do. And then you can push up here and push present, and it'll show you all your different slides. Lastly, we'll be going over Google Forms. So you're on your Google Drive account. You can go to New and go down here to More. Go to Google Forms. And you can, for Google Forms, it's a really good way if you have a team or whatever you have, like whatever office with a bunch of workers, you can do road trip, meal options, and you can add questions. So option 1 will do lunch. Oh, sorry. The question will do lunch, and option 1 will do sandwich. Add options, do soup. And then you can change it to how they, like once you send it out, you can change how they like answer it and respond to it. And there's many different things you can do with that. And then you can say that, like, put that this question is required. And you can add questions, import questions, add titles and descriptions. You can add images, add videos, and add a section. So then once you have all your options and questions on here, you can send it out. and you can like preview it before you send it, obviously, and then go to, like, once you've started to get responses back,